$500 if Javara can stay underwater for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes. Ready?
5 minutes?
Are you crazy?
The orca whale? What's it called? The orca whale? I don't know what's called. A normal whale lasts 10 seconds, and then it dies.
10 seconds? You're kidding. I challenge you to 10 seconds. If I can last 30 seconds in the water, bring it on.
30 seconds? Well, we'll give you $1,000.
We know 30 seconds is hard for you too.
Fine, last offer, I'll give you a minute.
20 seconds! Don't want to give me 20 seconds, forget it!
30 seconds. 30 seconds. Yeah.
You can do 30, you can do it, go.
30 seconds.
I'm rooting for Javara.
Okay, start the timer. Show the timer.
Show the timer. Put the timer on it. Is the timer visible? 1, 2, 3, go!
He won't be able to.
I don't know, I think he can. What do you think?
He won't be able to.
I don't know, Nano gets a lot.